Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix unsupported language in Google Ads. All right, let's begin. First, open your Google Ads account and navigate to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Campaigns and select Campaigns again from the expanded pane to view your active list. Hover over the campaign causing the issue and click the gear icon to open its specific settings. This area controls your ad delivery and audience targeting. Scroll down to the Other Settings section and locate Languages. This setting informs Google which users should see your ads. If you have selected languages that Google Ads does not support or that do not match your ad copy, your campaigns may be limited or disapproved. Click to edit this section and remove any unsupported or irrelevant languages. Ensure the remaining languages align perfectly with your ad text and landing pages to provide a consistent user experience. Once your selections are accurate, click Save to apply the update. Reviewing your other campaigns for similar settings will help maintain overall account health and performance. So that's basically how you can fix unsupported language in Google Ads. That's it for this video. Thanks.